Tired of endless email chains and information overload when working with clients on projects? Today, I'm going to show you how to add clients to Basecamp, giving them access to only what they need and streamlining communication. First, navigate to the specific project you want to give your client access to. Look for the Add People to the Project option. It's usually found near the top of the project screen, often indicated by a plus icon. Now, select Client from the available options and enter their email address. This is where you control what they see. Carefully choose the features, like the to-do list, discussions, or documents, you want the client to have access to. Remember, less is often more to avoid overwhelming them. Next, you'll see a confirmation page. Basecamp will automatically send an invitation email to your client with instructions on how to access the project. And that's it. Your client now has limited access to the project, allowing for clear and focused communication. By implementing these steps, you'll not only improve client communication, but also maintain control over your project's information.